Good afternoon and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, once again to the post-show conference for the INFD Launchpad with our CEO, Mr. Anil Khosla, and the wonderful designers across fashion and interiors who've won this afternoon. So we'd like to first hear from you a little bit about this platform that you're giving young and aspiring designers, and then we'll hear from every individual designer on their journey to Lakme Fashion Week.
Good evening. It's my pleasure again to be here amongst you. I have been introducing the young talent, the budding designers as INFD Gen Next for last 23 season. This was our 24th season. But today it's my pleasure and it's a privilege to introduce six more, rather five fashion designer and three of the interior designer to you who are the part of INFD Launchpad for the second consecutive season. This is a new initiative by the INFD. While the Gen Next platform is open to all the students who have been passed out or who have been in business for say 4 to 5 years, that kind of young talent we have been promoting, and over 200 designers we have promoted so far as part of the INFD Gen Next. But this is our second season where only the current students of INFD, they compete among themselves at the zonal level, first at their regional level, then at the zonal level. And out of that, from each zone, we select one by the panel of top people who are from IMG, who are the top designers, fashion designers, celebrities. They are the judge and they have selected these. And I'll take the player, Rishi, first of all. He's the fashion designer who has showcased. Then Dipali, then Sangeeta Asnani, then Chitra, then him and Amandeep. So they are the people, and then we have in fashion Harjinder, then we have Srishti, and then Bhavna. So these are the people, like, if you have to see, this girl is from a small place called Bhilwara. You must have not seen that place, never heard, other than the Bhilwara shootings which they had. From that kind of places, people are now coming to the platform like Mumbai and showcasing their talent. And she is from Kanpur, she is from Jodhpur. So these are the places which is now producing the talent, and they people are working hard to take out the artisans, take out the, the creativity of their local people too. And even he is from Nasik. He's not from Mumbai, he's from Nasik. So these are the people, they are from Chandigarh. So they are the people who are coming out, who are taking out the, their local artisans' creativity and making it to the national level before you. So I wish them all the luck, and I'm sure they'll work hard and make us feel proud. As a father, as a parent, I feel, proud, and I'm feeling emotional and honored that I see my kids are performing along with where Manish Malhotra yesterday showcased, and today they are showcasing. Such a big platform. I'm thankful to IMG, I'm thankful to Lakme, HUL, and all the team who are working day and night, and all the media people who are here to support them. Thank you very much to all of you, and let them explain one by one.
Let him go first. Sir's really taking this on, and he's so proud of them, so it's really nice to see him do this.
Hello, myself Rishikesh Viswane from INFD Nasik. My collection is trippy. Trippy means visual illusion जो मैंने garments में. Hello. My collection name is trippy. Trippy means visual illusion जो कि मैंने मेरे गारमेंट थ्रू दिखाया है. जैसे लोग ड्रग्स लेके जो नेगेटिव थिंकिंग में जाते हैं, वो मैंने अपने गारमेंट्स थ्रू दिखाए हैं कि कैसे ड्रग्स सेहत के लिए हानिकारक हो सकते हैं. वो सारी चीज़ें मैंने अपने गारमेंट्स थ्रू दिखाए.
Hello everyone, I'm Dipali Jain from INFD Himayatnagar, Hyderabad. My collection name is Modern String, which is inspired by Zardozi. I have used geometrical shapes, making my hand embroidery look very authentic, modern and yet traditional. My silhouettes are very modern and in a contemporary wear for modern women to yet look very traditional but have contemporary fusion wear. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Him and my friend co-partner Aman. So our collection name is Bandhan. So you can see this technique is done by ourselves without any pattern making, without any printing. We had created this technique by ourselves, and the collection name is Bandhan, which means the bond creativity, which showing the love and affection. Thank you.
Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Sangeeta Aidasani. I am from INFD Jodhpur. Basically, my collection name is Thapa Art. It is inspired by the wall paintings of Gujarat and Rajasthan. मेरा सिर्फ एक ही मोटो है कि मैं अपनी डिज़ाइनिंग के थ्रू हमारे इंडियन कल्चर को प्रेजेंट करूं. हमारे गारमेंट में इंडियन कुछ ना कुछ मोटिव्स के थ्रू या उनके सिल्वेट्स के थ्रू मैं इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करूं, उनके मीनिंग्स को बताऊं जो हमारे ट्रेडिशन से चले आ रहे हैं. सो बेसिकली मैंने इसीलिए थापा आर्ट को अपना कलेक्शन चुना. थैंक यू सो मच. एंड आई रियली वांट टू थैंक द IMG टीम एंड द लैक्मे टीम जिन्होंने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया और इस स्टेज पे पहुंचाया. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Chitra Singh from INFD Kanpur. मेरे कलेक्शन का नाम ग्लेयर ब्लेज है. इट मीन्स बर्न द नेगेटिव एनर्जी. मैंने अपने गारमेंट में कट वर्क अगरबत्ती से किया हुआ है. उसके थ्रू मैंने बर्निंग इफेक्ट को दिखाया है और जिस तरह से ह्यूमन अपनी नेगेटिव एनर्जी को कैसे बर्न कर सकता है. और मेरे कलेक्शन का मेन मोटिव है कैसे नेगेटिव एनर्जी को बर्न करके उसको पॉजिटिव वे में रिप्रेजेंट किया जाए. ओके, थैंक यू.
And from now, hearing from the fashion designers, we move to the
Interior design.
students.
They are designing, you must be surprised by what they are doing here. They have been assisting the top designer to design the lovely sets which you are seeing and the implementation of the source area and other areas.
Hello everyone, I'm Srishti Agarwal from INFD High Tech City, Hyderabad. So my set design was industrial fashion, where it was mainly to use the industrial one element so that the fashion outfits are highlighted more. So I usually, when I've done research, I felt that sets have highlighted more. So I just wanted to make sure that the set is not just highlighted, but it complements the fashion outfit as well. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम भावना जगत्यानी फ्रॉम INFD भीलवाड़ा. मैंने मेरे सेट डिज़ाइन में इंडियन कॉन्सेप्ट लिया है. इंडियन हाईवे से मेरी इंस्पिरेशन आई है. मैंने मेरे सेट में पूरा उसको एज ए इंडियन हाईवे शो किया है कि हमारा इंडियन कल्चर क्या है. और जैसे हम लोग नॉर्मल और सिटीज़ के हाईवेज़ पे जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे मतलब वो फील नहीं आता. तो मैंने मेरे सेट में ढाबा भी मतलब जो इंडियन कल्चर में है वो भी शो किया है और पूरा इंडियन कल्चर से मेरा सेट रिप्रेजेंट है. थैंक यू.
Hello everyone, I am Harjinder Singh from INFD Chandigarh and my design concept is sunshine in my garden. मैंने अपने नेचर को ही अपने घर के गार्डन को ही अपने डिज़ाइन एलिमेंट में एज ए यूज़ किया है. मैंने वही सनशाइन इफेक्ट दिया जो फ्लावर्स के ऊपर ड्यू ड्रॉप का जो अर्ली मॉर्निंग में आता है. एंड उसी तरीके से मैंने सेम रैम्प पे उनको सिलेंड्रिकल ग्लास जार्स में यूज़ किया और रैम्प की ब्यूटी को और ज़्यादा इन्हेंस किया है मैंने उसको रिफ्लेक्टिव विनाइल फ्लोरिंग यूज़ करके. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much.
Sir, thanks to you, I think the future of the design industry is in very, very good hands. So
No, thank you to all of you and all the media people and everyone. Now, any bites they want?
The inspiration behind your collection, जिस तरीके से आपने बताया कि अगरबत्ती के साथ में आपने वो बर्न किया है.
एक्चुअली मेरा मेन इंस्पिरेशन था बर्निंग. तो कैसे हम बर्निंग के थ्रू कटवर्क को कैसे शो कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने मतलब टेक्निक को भी दिखाया और उसमें एक थॉट भी है कि कैसे बर्न करके हम अपनी नेगेटिव एनर्जी को एलिमिनेट कर रहे हैं अपने माइंड से, अपने बॉडी से. तो